Peer-led team learning program is all about having students in the classroom who have already taken the class and who did well in it. These students then, we call them the peer academic leaders, PALs. And what the PALs are doing is they're doing workshops outside of the classroom for 1 hour. Each of the workshops held between 4 and 8 students, and the students are having more on-task time with the class material. Students find that this extra time on task actually lessens their study time because they're really learning the material while working with others. It also strengthens their bonds in their brain because they're getting all those different touches with the material, and they're finding they're actually learning it, not just kind of rote memorizing stuff. So it's really strengthening how they learn, and they find that the relationships they're making with their workshop buddies kind of last throughout their years here at Thomas too. So the Thomas College PLTL program has been so successful, largely in part to our faculty. They have been instrumental in getting this program off the ground by creating the workshops, working with our PALs and with our PLTL coordinator, Matthew Nash. Without the faculty involvement and their buy-in, this would not be as successful as it has been.
We took the course already, so we already know what they're going through, and the biggest thing is to connect with them and just help them through it. It might not be their strongest point, and you might have kids like myself who will switch into the major, but for those who don't, it's really just having them understand the concept, and you really want to see them succeed. You don't want to see anybody struggle, and that's our biggest goal of this program.
They're allowing you to work together and kind of observe the learning and help guide the group in the direction of however they decide to solve the problem. Rather than catching a fish for them, I was teaching them how to fish for themselves and teaching them how they can learn to fish on their own.
Last year, when I was taking financial accounting, it was tough. It's a hard class. It's new information for everybody. And I like the workshop because I was able to go in there and I could talk to an actual student. I didn't have to feel self-conscious about being wrong about a question or not even ask questions, you know? Like, I'll actually ask questions in the workshop.
I thought it really helped with my grade a lot, and that's what inspired me to actually join on as a PAL. I wanted to help more people be able to take away things from this class and be able to apply it to their life and pass the class with an A, of course.
Students in the workshops are now asking, hey, can we do this with this class now? Can we try it with this class? Because they know those classes are harder, and they know that if they have that peer interaction in those workshops, they know that they're going to be more successful in those classes. I think that anything that can help our students succeed is without a doubt something that Thomas is going to stand behind, and it's going to make a difference, not just for our students, but for the institution as a whole. Students are our #1 priority, and anything we can do to strengthen their education here at Thomas and have them get more out of it, we're right behind. And I think the PLTO model is making a big difference for them.